What color do we want it to be? Black. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. What color do we want it to be? Anything's fine. I just want to change the design. Ah, we don't know this. Is this for the online play, maybe? Oh, this is maybe our friends. You know, so maybe if we check that out, we can see where Lynette is. I see. How do I do this? Make it purple. Then that one just looks like a shirt. It does just look like a shirt. Moco-chan! Moco-chan, look, there's the leather shirt! Okay. None of these look really good. Bao, is that 4 sneezes now? Oh my goodness. I'm sneezed out. Yeah. Okay! I think we're probably going out, right? Patterns. Is there any shirts we want?